In a major boost to the growing India-US defense partnership, an Indian Armed Forces delegation led by Lieutenant General Pushpendra Pal Singh participated in the prestigious Special Operations Forces, that is SOF Week 2026, held in Tampa, Florida from May 18 to 21. The delegation was headed by the General Officer Commanding-in-Chief of the Western Command of the Indian Army and the senior-most serving Special Forces Officer of the Indian Armed Forces. What made India's participation special? For the first time ever, the Indian Army took part in the renowned CAPEX capability demonstration, one of the key highlights of SOF Week organized by United States Special Operations Command. The 2026 capability demonstration, titled Battle in the Bay, was conducted on May 20th at the Tampa waterfront. It featured US Special Operations Forces along with contingents from 10 partner nations in a live integrated operational environment. India's debut showcased the professionalism and combat expertise of Indian Special Forces in counter-terrorism, unconventional warfare, high-altitude combat and jungle warfare operations, strengthening global defense cooperation. During the event, the Indian delegation participated in high-level strategic discussions and held bilateral meetings with senior special operations commanders from several partner nations. The delegation also observed advanced military capability demonstrations and defense industry exhibitions. The engagements provided a crucial platform for exchanging operational experiences and deepening international defense cooperation. Assistant Secretary of War for Special Operations and Low-Intensity Conflict Derek Anderson highlighted the need for a modern and adaptive Special Operations Forces enterprise capable of addressing evolving global threats through innovation, partnerships and agile policies. SOF Week 2026 brought together Special Operations Forces, defense leaders and industry partners from over 70 nations, reflecting the increasing importance of global strategic collaboration in modern warfare.